Pro Tools rolling, and action. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Gabe, and this is the Dungeon Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a pretty cool gift I got from my mom and dad. It was recently my birthday, and they decided to gift me a Samsung Galaxy Watch, which is really nice. I almost opened it up without making a video first, so I'm going to go show you some of the proof of that right here. I cut these bad boys open, and I was like, wait a minute. We might need to wait and make a video of this. So here we are. Now, first thing I noticed, also don't worry about this scratch over here. That is basically me being too excited and opening the shipping package it came in. The watch didn't come like that. I accidentally cut it open. So without just wasting any more time, we're going to go into it and open it up together and see what this watch is all about. So, by the way, thank you, Mom and Dad. Appreciate it. This is an international version. Now let's take a look and see what we have here. Oh, wow, that looks really nice. So that's the package it comes in. You can feel the rotary encoder on it. That's pretty cool. Has a protective tag on the front or where the screen is. I'm going to ever so nicely just take this out. And what do we have in here? Okay, that's blank. Okay, cool. We have... This is the strap. I guess it's an extra strap. What is this? What is these? Okay, extra strap. This is a size small, it looks like. Alright, so that's an extra strap there. This is instruction manual. This is... Oh, wow, this is cool. This is the charger. Let's see it. Okay, so maybe it charges wirelessly. That's pretty cool. Huh. Sticker on the bottom. Has rubber on the bottom so it doesn't slide away. That's cool. Let's see what's on the other side. And this is cool. This is a USB micro charger and plug. That's good. It came in this little bag here. It's really nice. Wow, this box feels pretty heavy. So let's move this thing over here. And let's look at the watch. So, oh wow, that falls out very fast and easily. So there are a couple of things here. There's like two plastic bands, rotating bezel. There's a protective part right here that covers the screen. Two hard buttons on the side here. We'll find out what that does in a second. And let's get it off. Cool. So I guess, yeah, this is the large setting for the other band. This band here says L. Looks like it says large. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. Oh, there we go. It's like a giant L right there. So let's take this guy off. And now let's find out how to turn it on. It doesn't look like there's a power button. No. Yes. This is a handy, cool little thing. It's going to boot up. And I think we're going to do our first run through with it. Cool. That took a while. That actually took a while. And it's still taking a while. One thing I don't like is the boot time. It's taking a while. Vamos. Oh no, international version came in Spanish. No, I don't want to. I don't want to have it in Spanish. Can I? Oh no. It's all in Spanish. How can I? Okay. Vamos. Can I have a different language, por favor? Okay. I'm not going to understand any of this. Experience user application Galaxy Wearable on your telephone. Accessibility questions. Is that the web? Oh, here we go. English. Let's do that. Okay, so now we're going to pair it with my phone. So, going to hit the Bluetooth on my phone. Let's see if it comes up. Add now. All right. Don't mind my notifications. Yep, it sees it. Let's pair up. Let's connect. And now the phone and the watch are now syncing up. That was pretty easy. I'm not going to lie. It wasn't like I had to really fight for this thing to happen. Also, I hurt my hand over here. Yeah, I got caught in a microphone stand. So don't get your finger caught in a microphone stand and it won't look like that. All right. 94%, 5. All right. Wow, this screen, this little watch looks really awesome. Check your phone to complete setup. Now my phone's hanging at 100%. And is it done yet? Doesn't look like it. There we go. Take a moment to learn more about your watch. Learn more. Your watch face is the main screen. Swipe left to right to show different widgets. Okay. Oh, swipe left to show different widgets. Swipe right to show notifications. Back key. Press this to show the previous screen. Home key is the bottom right key. So this is back and this is home. Press and hold to turn your watch on or off. And what else? To get the best heart rate measurement, wear your watch about a finger's width within your wrist joint. Okay. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. So it doesn't want you to wear. Apparently, accuracy comes closer up to your wrist. Closer down your wrist. Cool. Notifications. And let's see. Watch paired. Okay. I'm going to agree to everything. They already have my data anyway. Yes, I want to link it. Find my watch. Mapping technologies. What's this? See, there's a lot of things you got to agree to, but I'm just going to agree to the basic first two things. I'm going to skip the backup because I never had an watch before. And that's it. Weather. Cool. And this is it. You just got to set up your notifications. That was pretty easy. Wow. That was really, really easy. I'm going to play around with this watch. I might leave an updated review later on to see if it's really suiting my style. But yeah, this is a really nice watch. It looks cool. It feels nice. It comes with a good amount of accessories, and it looks like you could charge it wirelessly, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to see what that's all about. But I think I'm going to have to spend some time with this watch before I can give you guys an honest review and an updated review. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. And I hope if you guys have experience with this watch, you'll let me know what you think. Leave a comment down in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe. Thanks, dudes. Later.